Hey guys, it's a beautiful day today, and I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. So, I start my day with a lemon chia seeds collagen drink. So, you'll need a basic ingredients for this. So, I've soaked some chia seeds, that's 1 tablespoon chia seeds in 1 tablespoon of water. Along with that, I've taken 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You'll require a glass, half a lemon. We'll squeeze the lemon juice and a collagen powder of your choice. So first in a glass, I'll take the chia seeds and then I'll also add the apple cider vinegar to it. Then I'll add the collagen powder 1 tablespoon. Mix it very well. And then I'll also add 1 tablespoon or half a lemon juice to it. Then fill the remaining glass with the water and mix it very well. And it's ready. So I drink this basically 3 times in a week, not every day. Other days mostly I keep it very light with a warm lemon water. That's all. Here are some of my grown plants over here. So chilies, basil. I need to get a stand for the pot, but let's see. So here is the basil and the chili plant. Chili is yet to come, but the plant has grown very well. Okay, after half an hour, I eat my soaked almonds and raisins. And for the breakfast, I'm having puffed rice poha along with 1 cup of tea. Guys, it's a lunchtime now and I'm going to make healthy grilled vegetables and quinoa. Start with heating a kadai or a pan. Here I'm adding olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, add the vegetables. Here I'm adding onions, red and yellow bell peppers and zucchini. Stir fry for some time till you see that the vegetables have become slightly brownish in color. Then add the boiled carrots and the corn. Add some salt and black pepper. Here I'm adding chicken tikka masala. Instead of this, you can also use peri peri masala or even you can add chili flakes to it. Now lastly, add the paneer diced. You can also add tofu in it. Once you see it's brown, it's done. So I've served with quinoa, mashed potato and leftover grilled chicken. So for the dinner, we're going to make grilled toast along with some mashed avocado and feta cheese. So here I am cutting the avocado in 2 parts. And surprisingly, it's a perfect avocado. Mash the avocado with the back of the fork. Then add 1 lemon juice to it. Then add a pinch of salt. You can also add black pepper to it. Okay, heat a pan and melt in 1 tablespoon of butter and toast the slices of bread. So brown it a little bit. So now spread the avocado mixture to the sliced toasted bread. Then add cherry tomatoes. So I've diced the cherry tomatoes. And then add feta cheese on top of it. This looks tempting, and here it's ready. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. And thank you for watching my today's video, what I eat in a day. And keep coming for more videos. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.